peak power 300瓦 ，scan width 2毫米。When no spark occurs, adjust the scale length to lean and tighten. There are large sparks and obvious hissing sounds. Turn off the laser. When the wire feed nozzle is significantly shorter, it needs to be adjusted. Can be unscrewed with 2 wrenches. Stuck in the wire slot. Welding adjustment power. Observe whether the welding wire is in the middle of the red dot. Twist it a little. When the broken wire is lifted, keep your fingers pressed and do not release. If you release your finger early, turn off the laser. Cutting copper nozzle. Please keep the accessories after removing them. Adjust cutting parameters. Speed 0毫米 S width 0毫米 peak power 800瓦 Impart Ritual. Start the laser. Check if the red dot is occluded and if it is in the center. Safety clip. Turn off the laser. Take out to nowhere. After removal, cleaning components can be installed. Replace the RF bar by cleaning professional lens. Replacement system. Power off and restart. Start the laser. Adjust cleaning parameters. Adjust the values as needed. Can start cleaning directly. No safety clips required.